Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the Bitcoin for developers on the Bitcoin.org website. You can find more information by using this website. Bitcoin can be used to build amazing things and provide solutions to common problems. At the bottom of the page, there are some simple steps that you can follow. The simplest of all payment systems, meaning third-party APIs. You can be your own bank. Bitcoin address to track invoices. Most of the security is on the client side. A new word of possible. You can see here that there are some developer documentation English page that you can visit. You can get started by clicking Get Started with Bitcoin. And right here, you can see a footer that they have created. The footer concludes introduction, resources, participate, and other. You can see here that you can support Bitcoin.org by clicking Donate, or Bitcoin.org is community supported with their own Bitcoin address. You can also scan their code by scanning with your phone. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you can visit the Bitcoin website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the Bitcoin for Developers page.